Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video I will be sharing with you my latest makeup haul. But before we get started, and if you are new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know what I have been purchasing, just keep on watching. So the first item that I got, and I'm super excited that I was able to pick it up, it is a collaboration between a fellow YouTuber that I really admire and I follow from way back then. And I'm talking about Samantha March with Ofra Cosmetics. So I got her highlighter, and this is a highlighter in the shade March Beauty Word. When you open it up, it's the same packaging as all the other Ofra highlighters. I have placed a picture and a little video of this highlighter on my Instagram if you want to see it in full action. It's just so beautiful. Basically, Samantha, she loves the shades Pillow Talk as well as Star Island, and that's what she did on this wheel. It's a mix of both shades. So it is divided in 4 different sections, and you have 2 sections with Pillow Talk, the pinky rose type of shade, and then Star Island. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy I got it. And Samantha, if you're watching this video, congratulations again. I'm so happy to have a little piece of your creativity right here at my vanity. And in this collaboration, she also has some lipsticks available that comes in a set. I haven't picked it up because I have 2 of the shades, but I think, you know, I may just do it for support of her. And I think this collaboration will be available. It's kind of like a limited edition. I think until the beginning of August. I'm not sure. I will suggest you to go and watch Samantha's launch video and then the follow-up video so you get to know until when you're able to pick up this beautiful highlighter and her lipstick set. Another item that I have picked up is another highlighter. Why? I don't know why, but I just wanted it. It's this Dior Skin Nude Luminizer Lolly Glow, and the shade that I got, it is Peach Delight. So this is the box, and let me open it up for you. And believe me, this haul, there are a lot of highlighters. I shouldn't, but I did. So this is the outer package, that quilted type of compact, comes with a mirror, and this is the beautiful highlighter. There you go. You see the peach tone that it has? It's just gorgeous. So I'm super excited to try this out. I actually have the Dior, the new 4 quad of backstage highlighters. And to be honest with you, I'm not too convinced about it. So I was looking for a very nice peach highlighter that is a little bit, not too like a strong peach, a little bit more muted. And I don't know, I just think these may do for me. So I'm gonna be giving it a try. I'm sure I will be doing kind of like a try on haul. I kind of like how to start to do these type of videos where you will see like when I'm trying them and kind of like my first impressions about it. So I'm excited about that. The next item that I got, and this is not a new palette at all. I mean, this is an old palette. This is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette right here. And the reason why I got it is because I don't know if you follow Hindash. He is a makeup artist. He's just amazing. Like, his artistry is just incredible. I absolutely love everything that he does. And in one of his tutorials, he used this palette, and in specific one of the shades, which is this shade right here, Luscious or Luscious? Luscious? Anyhow, it's this shade right here, and he says, and when he applied it to the model, it just looked amazing. And he says that is why he actually purchased this palette right here. Not to say that the palette it's a dud, it's just like that shade right there is the shade that he uses as that highlighter shade on the eyelid, and you know, he just sold me on it. And honestly, the entire palette is just so pretty. I mean, it's all those neutral colors with a lot of peach tones that I like, and then it has these purpley shades right here and a little bit of these cool tone kind of greenish shades. So I think I'm gonna give it a good, you know, use out of it. and the smell is so, so good. So I'm happy I got it. Why not? And I may end up following up the tutorial of Hindash because believe me, it looked amazing. Now I also got another set of eyeshadow palettes, and this is by the brand Kaleidos. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it comes in this beautiful box right here. And I actually watched Mel Thompson and somebody else. I don't remember who. Oh, Raw Beauty Christy, obviously. Just trying this eyeshadow right here, and it comes 3 of them, and I thought that they just look so beautiful. One of them actually looks a lot alike to the Mel Cosmetics palette, the first green one that they got. I don't remember. The Gemini palette. And you know, I have been always wanting to buy it. Came to Sephora, then again it went out of stock, and I thought, you know what, I'm just a little bit like burnt out of it's always out of stock, and I don't know, I just kind of like gave up. And then I saw this palette right here, and it looks so much alike to it. It's just those beautiful crunchy green tones, and then the black one right here, the mustard shade right there. I just really love it. It comes with a mirror. The price is great. You receive basically 3 palettes. I think it was like something around $50 plus shipping or free shipping. I don't even remember, but I mean, I just thought it was a great price. And you get like 3 different eyeshadow palettes that you can get different looks. This one right here is called Cyber Bronze, and these have like a beautiful red shade. If you can see it right there, it's just so pretty. The packaging, it kind of reminds me as the packaging of Pat McGrath, you know, that kind of double folded type of packaging. And then the last package is called Astro Pink, and it has a beautiful blue inside that I'm just dying to dive in, and then a beautiful burgundy color. Do you see that? Just such beautiful shades, beautiful color combination. This right here, it's a blue with a purple chip to it. So I just said, you know what, why not, let me just get it. The price was right. I have never tried this makeup brand before. I don't know how are their shadows, but for what is seen from what Mel Thompson was able to tell about these products, she said good things about it. Same thing as Christy from Raw Beauty Christy, and I really trust on them. Those are the 2 YouTubers, I mean, among many others, that I really trust their opinion. So I said, you know, let's give it a go. Now, another highlighter. I told you, I'm in a highlighter roll. I grabbed the Jouer Muffin Glow highlighter. I mean, I couldn't beat the price. The price is so good. I don't know, I just had to have it. It's only $28. It comes with a full-size highlighter plus a brush. Are you kidding me? It's like, that's a great price. The packaging is just so gorgeous too. I think this is limited edition actually. So, I mean, if you get the chance to get it, because I know it was sold out of Sephora, but you can still get it at Jouer, and that's where I got it from. So look at the packaging right here. See all those glitters? I mean, the glitter is contained inside this case, so you're not gonna get any glitter. I mean, the package is just luxurious, and the shade again is Molten Glow. When you open it up, it's a beautiful champagne tone, so gorgeous. And then the brush, it's a pretty brush. So this highlighter right here, it can be used for the body as well for the face. I mean, all over. You can be just glowing to the stars and up. And it comes with this beautiful pouch too, like this kind of like suede velvet type of pouch. Are you kidding me? All of these for $28. I mean, I'm not complaining. Obviously, this is just great. So I'm so happy that I got it, and it's now part of my collection. And another highlighter, it is this Becca Glow Seal Highlighter Drops. This is from the collection of the Champagne Pop, that it has been so debated about, like why Champagne Pop, if it was done with Jackeline Hill, and why they're still re-promoting it. I mean, who knows how is the contract based out of? So maybe it was just a collaboration, and then after that, that actual shade was gonna, you know, was gonna be part of the line and just stay within the line. So anyhow, they brought like the Champagne Pop, the actual compact. They also brought a stick and then these drops right here. And I actually watched Kathleen Lights, and she raved about this, and she showed it on her skin and it looks so gorgeous. So I thought, hey, you know, before it gets discontinued, because most likely I think this is a limited edition type of thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it. And I just picked it up from my Sephora. They had it, and hey, I'm happy about it. Yay, another highlighter. I know I just have too many highlighters. I think I just need to stop with the highlighters, right? And then I also pick up this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation. I have heard great reviews about it. I'm not a person that likes matte foundations at all. It's just not the thing that I like. But you know what? I said I want to give it a try. So I think I will put it into a review. And I got it in the shade Y355. To be honest with you, it was hard for me to match my skin even in the store. So it seems to be a good shade, and I just want to give it a try. I mean, I heard just great reviews. I'm a person that likes radiant type of foundations, and I don't like anything that is matte, but it may work now that it's summertime. So, you know, why not to give it a go? Another item that I got is this Nars eyeshadow palette in Hot Nights, and again, I heard great things about it. It came out I think a month ago or something like that, but I just didn't want to get it. I just don't know, it seemed too repetitive, but I heard just great things, that it's a really good palette on the go. Packaging of Nars is just beautiful, so I said, you know, why not just get it and add it to my collection. I love the tones right here. They all look more of like a satin type of finish, and I love this burgundy pinkish reddish color right here, and then a lighter tone. It has the bronzer, the highlighter, so it's a palette that is more versatile, mostly if you're traveling. And why not, I also got the other palette that it's part of the collection, is the Summer Lights palette. The outer package is pretty much the same. This one right here has a little bit more of like a, I don't know, kind of like a brownish tan color right here. This is a little bit more neutral. So, I mean, I know that Nars have just great products, so I said, you know, might as well. And another thing that I never got my chance to get my hands on is this Nars palette, and it's called the Wanted palette. This was a limited edition. I mean, I think it's still a limited edition. You cannot find it anywhere, but Saks Fifth Avenue, it was Saks or Neiman Marcus. I will let you know, either in my Instagram or somewhere here. They actually had like a waiting list, and you were able to like pre-purchase it, and I had to wait like a couple weeks, and they were able to send it to me. And this palette is so beautiful. And I remember going to Sephora, you know, like last year, and you know, looking at it, never, you know, commit to it. And then this other Ignite palette came. I kind of like it, but it was not like my favorite one. And then the Wanted palette, the mini one, came, $25. The thing is tiny, and it looks actually cheap, the packaging, that I was just like so upset about it. I ended up returning it, and I said, you know, forget about it. I'm gonna return it, and then I'm gonna look for this Wanted palette because it's wanted, and I found it. So I'm really happy I found it, and I now have it in my collection. So I'm super happy to give it a go and a try and see how it wears and all that jazz. And then the last item that I got is this Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick. I got it before in two different shades. One was Honeymoon and Rendezvous. This time I went ahead and purchased Anniversary, which is more of a nude type of shade. And you know what? I really like the formulation of these bullet lipsticks. I'm not very crazy about matte lipsticks, but this formulation right here is super comfortable, like super comfortable. And I just love Huda Beauty too. So the packaging, I mean, I'm sure you have seen it a million times on Instagram. The shade is very nice. The shade Anniversary is a little bit of a warmer tone. I think the other shade that is also neutral is the Staycation, and that's more of a cool tone. So I went for something a little bit of a warmer tone, but it's still very nude. So I'm happy I got it because, believe me, I tried the other two, Rendezvous and then, like I said, the Honeymoon one, and they are so comfortable. So I'm thrilled that I got this one right here. And that's it, my friend. This is a wrap. This is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoy it. If you did so, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with other people that they may like these type of videos all about beauty. Also leave me in the comments down below which of these items would you like to see on the try on haul. If there's something that has sparked your attention or something that you have tried and that you will recommend to use in a certain way, let's just open up some conversation down there. And if you haven't done so yet, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that big bell right there. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.